don't know, we'll do something nice for you when you got home. I guess, yeah, back from your workout, but...
I came home from the gym today and I saw roses and a bottle of rosé because it is our 1 month anniversary. That's nice. Thank you. No, that's really sweet. What is this bucket? A plaster of hands? So one of the other things that Austin had got, I guess, was this hand mold thing.
So when I was little, I had like a little hand mold done when I was like 12 years old. It was me holding a baseball, though.
Okay.
It's a little cheesy. You can make fun of me for it if you want.
I'm totally going to make fun of you for it, but we can do it.
That's fine. We're making a mold of her hands, and it has a lot of meaning to me because our first kind of crafty thing to do with each other, and I mean, that's something that we keep forever, is the way I see it. And I think we need stuff in this apartment. I guess that's one thing that we can kind of put around.
Creative minutes and cherish for a lifetime.
Cherish for a lifetime.
I think that it's definitely not something that I would have done in the past. But I feel like it just goes to show, you know, how goofy he is, or how goofy we are together.
I thought like this.
Okay. All right. Oh, that feels weird.
Okay. We have to wiggle a little bit.
Yeah,
wiggle a little bit. And we just leave it for how long?
Remain still until the mold sets. More time is better. Damn it.
Yeah.
We're here all night. You want some wine?
I do, but I'm afraid to move. You're moving.
No, I'm not. We're stuck in this hand-holding position for what seems like forever, and it looks like it's hardening up, and that sounds really terrible to be saying. But it was kind of nice to just have our hands holding in this bucket of mold. Yeah, does it come? Oh, there we go. Oh, good. It's free.
It's like a cake. Where are we going to put this if it's good?
If it's good, it's going to go by the roses over there.
If it's bad.
In the trash.
Any little thing that Jess and I do, we have fun. And that was the point of it, is that, yeah, we're always having fun making jokes. And we can make fun of anything.
Actually, that is actually kind of cool. I didn't think that it would have like so much detail.